Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today I'm here to show you our brand new 2022 Harris 230 Cruiser. This is a tri-tune, beautiful boat here. We do have the docking lights and the flip-up cleats. Exterior, we got the blue with the silver fence railing, and also the big bimini up top with the blue canvas to match the exterior of this tri-tune. We do have an extended swim platform here with safety railing. This is powered by a 150 Mercury outboard. Let's go inside and check out the interior of this boat. Welcome inside our brand new 230 Cruiser from Harris. As you can see here, nice big area to hang out here on the stern of the boat. We do have the safety railing here, so when you're underway, you can legally have passengers ride back here. This is optioned with a ski tow bar as well. And then down here we do have a transom remote for your stereo. Plenty of storage on this boat. And then we also have a built-in cooler over here that drains. This is a rear-facing lounger, so we have a couple of spots to adjust. And this does go all the way down to a complete sun pad. This 230 Cruiser is a great entertaining tri-tune here. Plenty of seating in this L-shaped section right here. Do have a trash can, and this boat does have cup holders and spots to plug in your phone around the boat. We do have a low back recliner here. This does swivel back and forth. We've got your tilt steering wheel, your standard tacks up here, and your Lowrance depth finding gauge. This is powered by JL Audio, and we have a spot up here to charge your phone. As we move into the bow, again, plenty of space on this pontoon. We do have a cup holder that you can move around the boat. And then again, we have tons of storage pretty much under every compartment on these tri-tunes. This is located at our store in Rogers, and probably not for long. If you'd like to stop by, set up an appointment, we'd love to show you around. Thanks, have a great day.